Let's look at the aftermath of the Cybertruck launch event yesterday on the stock market today. So Tesla is down $1.25. That's 0.52% down, closed at 238.83. Post-market, we seem to be up by 53 cents. So let's look at what we have here on our chart. So a couple of days ago, Tesla tried to break our downward resistance right here. We could not do it, and we have been basically going down ever since. So today we have a green candle. Yesterday was the Cybertruck event at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. It did not entice any more buyers to come into Tesla stock to push the stock through the downward resistance that I'm just talking about here. So today, the stock made a lower high, it made a lower low. Yes, it was a green day. It was a green day, that's nice. We are still into this short-term bullish trend. As long as this line right here holds, then we could be retesting this resistance right here next week and see if we can try to break it. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour chart, we started the day right here lower than yesterday. But then on the 2nd hour and 3rd hour, we had a move up. So we had some people coming in and buying the stock, but they were not strong enough to allow us to break 240.30. So basically, we finished the day pretty much where we were yesterday. In terms of the indicators, they don't show any bullish signs. We have a stochastic under 60. We have RSI below 50. We have DMI that's bearish. We don't have any impulse yet, even on the 1 hour chart. Let's take a look at the VIX to see how the rest of the market fared. So VIX is down 0.29 and we are right smack on our support at 1264. The VIX is low. The stock market should be going higher. The government bonds going lower. This is supposed to help the stock market. US dollar, we had a little bit of a move up yesterday. Now it's cooling a little bit today. Let's look at our EV stocks. Okay, we have a break of downward resistance for Rivian. So Rivian might be going places. We have a break of downward resistance. Then this is one of our buy criteria. A second buying criteria is having stochastic over 60. We have that also. Now we just need to make sure that the stock is not caught into a congestion zone. If we look at potential congestion zones, we could be stuck under. The main one right here is at 1953. So until we move to 1953, I would trust things a little bit less because we had a nice move right here. This was a big congestion zone. So until we break above 1953, I would not trust too much what is happening with Rivian. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, at 18 bucks, if we start breaking 18 bucks, which we did a little bit, if we break it a little bit more, we have another horizontal resistance right here that is more contained a little bit. This one could be played a little bit more on the 1 hour chart. If we start breaking 1805, then we could have a little bit of a move from 1805 to 1953. But then at 1953, we could be coming down. So just be careful about that. If we break 1953, then we are back into the main congestion zone with Tocas not too long ago up to 2691. This is a place that we could be going back to eventually. Xpeng going down, nothing to see here. NIO is just going sideways. We have the earnings call on December 4th. So on Monday, so this might prop NIO back up, but so far there's no impulse. If we take a look at Apple, so Apple seems to want to bounce now on 189.85. We have been going up and down over that number approximately. So now we have a nice candle today. We have a green candle today. We made a higher low. We made a higher high. So maybe we want to start moving higher. In terms of indicators, everything is all great. Good day for ARM, up 3.9%. We are into this congestion zone right now. We should be going sideways, and this is what is happening. So sometimes we are going to have some red days and some green days. And basically, we are going to zigzag between 60.75 and 64.89. If we start breaking 64.89, then we can think about going further on. Palantir right smack under 2045. We are at 2027. Post-market, we are at 2032. So this 2045 resistance is still there. So let's see if we can break it next week. NVIDIA is continuing its move down. It is into a congestion zone. So it is doing what it's supposed to do, zigzagging between 397.59 and 503.06. Look at this. This is pretty clear. Let's look at our stock indices. Oh, look at this. Dow Jones is really tearing up crazy. Very strong move in the stock market for the indices. SPX, very nice move also. NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, it's pretty much going sideways. Gold, wow, look at this. Gold is launching 1.64% up. Look at the size of the candle. I'm looking really at the size. And all of the indicators are super green. Silver, green day, but it's being stopped at 864. We have sellers right there. They are still in power because they are keeping the price of silver lower than 864. Bitcoin, boom, we have a break of resistance. You can consider this a buy signal. If you want to buy more, it's the time to buy right now. Ripple is just going sideways. And Nouveau Monde Graphite, it is hanging above 251 very well. I'm going to give it to that. It is having a hard time breaking higher, but at least it's not going lower. So, yes, a little bit of a disappointing day for Tesla. It would be nice to have Tesla go higher like it used to do in the past. This used to be a stock that could really tear really high. But it's not the Cybertruck that is going to do it because new buyers did not show up after the Cybertruck launch event. I think that the Cybertruck is a great truck. I think it's a great truck. I think it's a home run, I would say, in terms of a truck. I still think that Elon Musk is not the right person to make those presentations. He's not good at them. He's not really good at them. He needs to be controlled a little bit more. And they could have made such a great job introducing the Cybertruck. There are so many great features and they could have explained them a lot better. But it is what it is. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday. And this Sunday, I will do a public Tesla weekly live. So you can join me for free. Usually this is for my members only, but once a month I do it for free. So you can all join Sunday at around 4 p.m. So have a great weekend and I'm going to tell you